How to make your relationship private on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your relationship private on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and click on these three lines and click settings and privacy, and then click settings and then profile information, and go down and click this pen here and click sharing with, and then just select anything you want, friends or only for you, anything you want, and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.